Okay, I want to go over 5 key steps for your flood restoration. So as you can see, we've already done our flood cut. So the number one thing to do after your flood cut is doing moisture reading. So we want to go around and test everything and see where the wet spots are. Number 2 is when you're setting your equipment up, you come out and test the wet material every day. So every day you come out and move your equipment around so that you have good readings and you're drying out the areas that have stayed moist and you're moving it away from the areas that have already dried out. The third step is making sure you dry out long enough. Sometimes you only have dry out for 2 or 3 days, and that may not be long enough for it to be completely dried, and then you get moisture coming back in. Fourth thing is to think about encapsulating any mold or mildew that may be growing in and under things. But generally we spray a chemical on all of the exposed framing, and then we capture it with like a zinger. It almost looks like a paint, and that's like the 5th step, is to come in and capture everything with like a zinger coating on all of your framework to make sure no mold or mildew comes back. For more information on flood cuts, go to TampaKitchenandBath.com.